Hello everyone, and thank you again for tuning into my channel. You will be learning how to use Windows 10, how to create a system restore point. So I will begin. First thing you want to do, you want to click on Start, left hand side, and if you look at this little circle here, Settings, click Settings. Next thing you want to do, you want to type in Restore Point, and then you just click on Create Restore Point. Here, this will pop up, System Protection. If I want to click on here, Create a Restore Point right now for the drives that have System Protection turned on. So I click on it one time. So here, guys, we're using Windows 10. So I'm just going to type in the date, okay, just to give you an idea. So I click Create. It's going to be creating a restore point. Restore point was already created. Awesome. So if I click OK, and I can close this, how you can tell if you've done it or not, you click on Settings, you go back, restore point. I can go about going to System. Let's see here, if I go scroll down, restore point, restore point, and if I click right here, guys, you can undo the system changes by reverting system restore point. So here, the same thing. If I click on Next, there it is, guys. This is the restore point I just created. If I click Next, once I select it, and if I click Next, if you change your Windows password recently, we recommend you create your no, we don't have to. System Restore needs to restart your computer to apply these changes before you proceed. Save any open files and close programs. So before you do anything, I would suggest, guys, do a backup. Save your data either on a flash drive or a hard drive. So that way, before you do any changes to your C drive, you want to make sure you have your data saved. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.